Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tear down this Prolink Wi-Fi router for you. So this Wi-Fi router support for the ADSL connection. So from the ADSL connection you can get the Wi-Fi signals using this router, as well as this one is supporting for the LAN connectivity as well, and contain only one antenna. So hope it support for the two, but not sure. And the model number is PRS 1140, and you can get 3 LAN ports, 3 LAN outs along with the POTV, I mean IPTV outlet. And this side you can see the power supply socket and on-off button, reset, and Wi-Fi enabling and disabling switch. Yeah, let's get this down, tear down. Where I can start. Yeah, for this I am using this plastic scraping tool and the normal screwdriver. So I guess there is no any screws, as I can see. Let me start with this one. Basically, like this router is quite small comparing to other TP-Link or any other routers. Let's try these knobs. Yeah, we have one screw here, so let me one, and no any other screws, no. No, only one screw there. Try them. Hopefully it should get open now. Oh yeah, it's opening. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I have opened this inside. Yeah, this is the inside of this router. So as you can see, the wireless chip and the outs, and we have antenna. to get this out. Yeah, so it's pretty much not the complex stuff in there, but I guess this is not repairable. So this is not a repairable router, so everything is within the printed circuit board, and just a condenser and couple of capacitors out there. So rest of the stuff is the on the printed circuit board. So seems to be this is not repairable. Yeah, so that's it guys. So hope you guys enjoy this video.